I'm Ramona Foster from Social Media How To's with Romona. And today I want to bring you another small business tip. As a marketing consultant and constant contact partner, I use online marketing to help my clients get new customers and increase their revenue. And one question I hear from small business owners over and over again is, what should I write in my email, or what should I post on social media? The simplest way to find out is just ask your audience. Send a quick email to your readers or write a post to your followers, asking them what they want to see more of and what they want to see less of. It's a great way to make sure your emails and social media posts are engaging to your audience and will actually get read. I hope this tip helps your small business do more business. And if you want to learn more about constant contact or email marketing, be sure to visit ramonafoster.com. Click on or move your mouse over the Services tab, then click on Email Marketing.